Telescoping magnetic pickup tool set, extendable magnet flashlight with inspection mirror, birthday gifts and Christmas presents, stocking stuffers for men or women, boyfriend, husband, father, handyman. The magnetic telescopic flashlight with adjustable inspection mirror is a versatile and portable flashlight that comes with a magnetic head and an adjustable inspection mirror. Here are some of the benefits and negatives of this product. Benefits. The flashlight is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around one. The flashlight has a telescopic design that allows you to extend it up to 22 inches, making it ideal for use in hard-to-reach areas. The flashlight has a magnetic head that can be used to pick up small metal objects. The flashlight comes with an adjustable inspection mirror that allows you to see around corners and in tight spaces. Negatives. Some users have reported that the flashlight's battery life is relatively short, so it may need to be recharged frequently. Some users have reported that the flashlight's magnetic head is not very strong and may not be suitable. Overall, the magnetic telescopic flashlight with adjustable inspection mirror is a great choice for those who want a versatile and portable flashlight that is capable of picking up small metal objects and seeing around corners and in tight spaces. Price: $22.39.